Everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 9th class biology 5th chapter pollination and fertilization. What is the meaning of the pollination? We know that male and female reproductive parts in the flower. So stamens are male reproductive parts. We know that anther produce powdery material, it is called pollen, which consists of tiny particles is called pollen grains. Pollens contain nuclei and participate in reproduction. For initiating this process, the formation of fruit and seeds, the first step is that pollen grains must transfer to the stigma. It means pollen grains means it is the male reproductive part and it transfer to the stigma. It means stigma means it is the female reproductive part tip. So the transfer of the pollen grains to the female reproductive part of stigma, it is called a pollination. So pollination is mainly three types: autogamy, geitenogamy, allogamy. Autogamy means self pollination. Geitenogamy and allogamy is cross pollination. So what is the meaning of autogamy? Auto means own or self. Gamy means marriage. So the pollen of same flower may fall on its stigma by itself. Example, this is the flower. The flower has male and female reproductive parts in the same flower. So the pollens are transferred into the stigma. So this is autogamy. Next one, these two are cross pollination. Geitenogamy means, geiteno means neighboring. It of another flower of the same plant may fall on the stigma. For example, this is the plant. Here this is the two flowers. This is one is male flower, another one is female flower. So the male reproductive parts and female reproductive parts are different stages in the same plant. So the pollens are transferred into the female flower. So the pollens are called geitenogamy, but the plant is same. Flowers are different. Next one, allogamy. Allo means other. So it means the pollen of a flower of another plant of the same species may fall on the stigma. It means the plants are different. This is the male flower, this is female flower. The pollens are transferred into the another plant of the female flower. So this can occur through wind, insects or other agents, and the term used for this cross pollination. Pollination must occur between plants of the same species. For example, we know that orchids, mango, guava, lychee, neem, jamun, etc. are growing in our neighborhood. Various crops like wheat, mustard, pulses, vegetables also we know that. The wind may blow away the pollen from all such plants together, and thus the flowers of a particular plant may be receive all kinds of pollen of its own kind as well as of others. So we will discuss about the self-pollination, autogamy, and the cross-pollination, geitenogamy and allogamy of these diagrams. First one, autogamy. Autogamy means self-pollination. Autogamy means self-pollination. This is the plant. The flower has both male and female reproductive parts. It means the flower has stamens and ovary. So these are transferred into the stigma in the same flower. So it is called autogamy. Cross pollination is two types. We know that geitenogamy, allogamy. First of all, we discuss about geitenogamy. In this is the plant, this is the male flower, this is female flower. It means the flower, male flower and female flower present in the same plant. So the pollens are transferred into the female flower of stigma. Next one, allogamy. Allogamy also cross pollination. For example, this is the one plant, this is another plant. So this plant, this is the male flower, this is the female flower. the pollen grains are transferred into the stigma. So another plant. So the plants are different. So insect full to the cross pollination. So insects like bees, butterflies collect nectar from the flowers. So insects collects the pollens on their bodies and transfer into stigma. So in the next class we will discuss about the kinds of the pollination, what is the advantages and disadvantages of the pollination. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.